In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to find chess tools and resources on chess.com. Let's start right at the beginning. Open your web browser and head to chess.com by typing the address into the bar at the top of your screen. Once the page loads, you'll be on the home page of the site, and from here, we'll navigate to the tools you're looking for. Take a look at the top navigation bar. You should see several main options like Play, Puzzles, Learn, and Watch. What you're looking for is the option labeled More. Go ahead and click on More. This opens a larger menu with several sections. Don't worry if it looks a little busy at first. We're going to move through it calmly. Now bring your mouse over to the area labeled Other. On some layouts, this appears as a category heading within the More menu, grouping together items that don't fit under the main Playing or Learning tabs. Hovering here helps reveal additional links that are organized for utility rather than gameplay. Next, within that section, find and click on Tools. This is the doorway to the collection of utilities that many players use to analyze, practice, and organize their chess study. Give that a click and the site will take you to the Tools area. Once you're on the Tools page, you'll see a variety of chess tools and resources. Think of this page as your utility belt. You'll typically find options like an analysis board where you can set up positions and explore variations, a board editor for creating custom setups or entering positions from real games, and explorers that help you browse openings and historical game patterns. These tools are designed to help you understand positions deeply, test ideas without pressure, and prepare for future games. As you look around, click into any tool to learn more about it. Most open in their own space and are easy to reset, so don't worry about making a mistake. You can always clear the board or start over. If you're new to these features, take a moment to read any on-screen tips or labels. They'll give you a quick sense of what each tool does best. A couple of quick tips while you're here. If your screen is small and you didn't see the More option at first, try expanding your browser window or looking for a menu icon that reveals the same navigation. And if the layout changes in the future, the Tools area usually remains grouped under More and then Other. That's it. You've successfully found the chess tools and resources on chess.com. Explore confidently and enjoy improving your game.